So I want to go over some of the numbers with the alt currencies. Ether and Litecoin have really shown themselves to be pretty strong purchases as they're very widely distributed. Neither one of them has a market share over the last 24 hours where the trading volume has been over 25% in any exchange, which is pretty significant. It kind of shows you the wide spread acceptance of Ether and Litecoin as being two very safe bets in the volatile cryptocurrency market at the present moment. Two other currencies that have shown a lot of volatility, a lot of trading volume in Ripple and Dash. I see those as two coins to be very conscious of. They are at a very low buying price at the moment, considering how much they rose just a month ago. Both of them are showing at about 2.3% a piece of the total market share of cryptocurrencies being traded. So what we're seeing is Dash is a much more widely accepted coin, about 34% in yobit, 29% in poloniex, and another 11% in BTC. So it has a good distribution with the exchanges, and we see Ripple is 70% of the trading volume is concentrated in poloniex. A little bit riskier, considering the next highest you have 4% in BTC 38, which is an Asian exchange, and Kraken at another 4% of the trading volume, and those being the three highest exchanges currently trading Ripple. Though it is still widely distributed and the trading volume is pretty high, so it still appears to be a good bet moving forward. We'll see how that plays out. Monero is another coin that has had a pretty steady increase in terms of not having as much volatility as some of the other coins, but still performing fairly well over the past several months. 42% of the trading volume is in BTC, another 35% in poloniex, so it has a decent market distribution. 4% is in kraken, so I see that as a pretty safe bet. It looks like it is starting to become a currency that's being accepted as a method of exchange. So NEM coin is an interesting coin to look at. I still see it as a little bit of a risky bet, but it has a 74% share in poloniex and has been trading at some pretty high volumes. It's currently about 2.2% of the cryptocurrency market trading volume, which is pretty significant. 7% of the trading volume with NEM coin is in bittrex. Another 18% is in BTC 38. So we're seeing a decent distribution, and I like to see some of the exchanges where you're seeing significant volumes in Asian countries. It seems to be that it is becoming more of an accepted form of payment, and currently on BTC 38 it is number one in terms of trading volume, so that's fairly significant. It's an interesting one to take a look at moving forward. We've seen 26% increases over the past 24 hours, so we've seen a lot of market volatility. It's come back down as of this posting. But I see the NEM coin as a very interesting bet moving forward. We'll see how that plays out.